is falling through the maple leaves, like a song the morning always keeps. Clouds are hanging low above the hills, everything is standing still. An old mailbox by the lane wears another year of rain. Every drop on the ground feels like home without a sound. The river moves beyond the trees, slow as every memory. A weathered barn beside the field holds the stories time concealed. Every fence and every stone knows the roads that led me home. Somewhere in the morning light, everything feels right. Now the mist begins to rise, opening the mountain skies. Every heartbeat starts to know there's no need to hurry home. Blue Ridge rain falls on me like it knows the heart I keep. Every winding road and pine brings this soul to life. Blue Ridge rain, soft and slow, teaching everything I know. Every mile beneath the sky feels alive. A lonely hawk rides overhead, following the river's bend. Golden grasses softly sway, welcoming another day. Time has never been a race, only something filled with grace. Every season passing by paints another sky. Now the sunlight breaks the gray, turning shadows into day. Every heartbeat starts to see what was always meant to be. Rain falls on me like it knows the heart I keep. Every